Hi everyone, I'm going to show you what you do after you have finished publishing your WeVideo Numbers project. Once the publishing has finished, it will appear in your Google Drive and it will be a red icon that looks like this called a clapperboard. And that means this is the finished product. So this that says .mp4 means audio and video together. These other things that you see from WeVideo called les numeros with the film strip. Those are my working projects in WeVideo. They are not yet published and I can go back and I can edit and change them. So once you have found your video inside your Google Drive, you're going to move it into your French folder. So click the Move To button, locate your French folder and click Move. Now that you're done that, you are ready to go back to your French website that you've already created. To get there, you have to go through the internet. You're going to go through your 9 white or your 9 black boxes, and in this case it's my 9 black boxes. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose Google Sites. When I go to Google Sites, it will take me here and it will show me all of my websites I've created. Yours is probably only, your list only probably has yourself, but I have lots because people have shared with it. So this is mine, A+ Heather's French website. So I'm going to open it. And when I open it, it will take me to my home page. And this is my home page that I have already created. I have my title, I have my welcome, bonjour tout le monde, I have my selfie picture, and I have my Eiffel Tower picture. This is pretty much where we left off. What we're going to do right now is we are going to create a page called Les Numéros. To do that, what I do is I go up to this button right here and click Create Page. I'm going to call it Les Numéros. I'm going to select as a template a file cabinet so that I can put information on it. Everything else you can leave the same and click Create. While it's creating, it's going to give you a page underneath of your home page. So there's a couple different ways to do this, and of course if you learn different ways, please come and share them with me. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a copy of my video that I created with WeVideo. And to do that, I'm going to go to my editing pencil. I have my page right here. I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to select Video. I have several videos. I have videos I've created. I have videos that people have shared with me. I have not yet finished my Les Numéros yet, so I'm going to take one of the teaching songs that we use, and I'm going to see if I can find that. And I'm just going to pretend that this is the video that I have created. There it is. So I just select it and press Select. All of the settings you can leave and press Save. So what it's doing right now is it's embedding the video, which is exactly what I want. I'm going to click Save. And I have it for myself right here. I can watch it. I can stop it whenever I want, and I can sing along to it. The other thing that you were asked to do, or if you haven't been asked yet, you will be asked to do, is to also include a website where the students can also go and practice. Make it more like a game or a different way to practice, because your video is actually where they just listen to the words. So to do this, I'm going to edit it again, and I'm just going to go underneath my video that I have, and I'm going to insert a link to a web page. So what I do is I go here and I'm going to insert a link. The link that I want to have is actually a website address because it's going to take me to a place where I can practice my numbers. So I'm going to write something like Learn Your French Numbers Here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow one that I got from my friend Winnie. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to where I was working. And I'm going to put in the link right here. I'm going to press OK. And now I have a link to it right here. I'm going to again save my work so I don't lose anything that I've created. And I'm going to go into Edit. I'm just going to make the size of this a little bit larger so that my audience can see it. And I'm going to bold it, and I'm going to click Save. Now, if any time you want to have a look at what your website looks like, you can actually go here to the gear and you can preview it as somebody else would see it. So I have my video that I can watch here, and then I have my website that I go to. So when I click here, it takes me to a place where I can learn my French numbers. So there's games and other things that I can do. And that's the two things that I need you to include on your French website on the page Les Numéros. If you have other hints or suggestions that you would like to include, please add them. Thanks for listening.